In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo email marketing. To get started, head over to the Brevo website and sign in to your account. If you're brand new to the platform, you can create a free account first and then verify your email address to unlock the setup process. Once you're inside, take a few moments to complete your account setup properly. This usually includes entering your business information, verifying the email address or domain you want to send from, and setting your sender name and sender email. If you use a custom domain, it's also a good idea to configure authentication settings like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, since that can help improve deliverability and make your emails more trustworthy. Next, move to the contacts section and import your audience. Click Import Contacts, then upload a CSV or Excel file, or add contacts manually if your list is still small. As you import, make sure your contact fields are mapped correctly, especially details like first name and email address. You can also create separate contact lists here, which makes it much easier to organize different groups of subscribers. After that, go to Campaigns and choose the option to create an email campaign. Give the campaign a name for internal use, then add your sender name and sender email. From there, write a strong subject line and include preview text. These two elements are important because they influence whether someone opens your email. Now it's time to choose your email template. You can start with a pre-designed layout, use the drag and drop editor, or build the message from scratch. If you create something you like, save it as a reusable template so future campaigns are faster to build. Once the template is open, design your email by adding your company logo, headings, body text, images, buttons, product sections, social media links, and a footer with unsubscribe information. Before moving on, preview everything on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks polished everywhere. You can then personalize the email using subscriber details like first name, last name, company name, or other custom attributes. This helps make the message feel more relevant and often improves engagement. When your email is ready, select the audience that should receive it. Choose the right contact list or segment and exclude any lists if needed. Then send a test email to yourself or your team. Check the formatting, links, and images carefully, and review the message on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, either send the campaign right away or schedule it for a future date and time. Double-check your settings before confirming. After the email goes out, monitor performance metrics like open rate, click rate, bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, delivery rate, and heat maps if they're available on your plan. And if you want to save time later, use Brevo's automation tools to create workflows like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, birthday emails, follow-up sequences, and re-engagement campaigns by choosing a trigger, defining the workflow, and activating it.